Buenos dias, damas y caballeros. Today we just want to bring to you an update dito sa lista ng mga senator. May lalabas pa ba na lista? Ilan ba ang lalabas sa lista? At kasama ba dyan? Kasama na ba sa lista ni former DPWH District Engineer Bryce Hernandez itong si Senate President Chis Escudero na hindi naman nag-deny na nakakuha siya ng 142.7 billion insertions sa 2025 budget through connivance with sabi Grace Poe, head of the Finance Committee, and Saldico, head of the Appropriations Committee, and his counterpart in Congress, Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kasama rin ba si Romualdez? So we will find that out by watching this interview ng TV5 dito kay Attorney Raymond Fortun na lawyer ni Bryce Hernandez. So again, just for you to know, pre-recorded vlog ito dahil may lakad si Bat ngayon. So, wala tayong mga greetings ngayon or I cannot read your comments kasi I recorded this early this morning. So, yan po. Sinabi na ni Sigrid Fortun na Bryce Hernandez may eventually name 6 senators. But hindi po ibig sabihin 6 senators on top of the 4 senators already named na si Jinggoy, Villanueva, at sila pa lang, tatlo pa lang pala, pati si Revilla. So, at tatlo pa babanggitin niya. Sino-sino kaya ito? Kasama kaya dito si Bongo na nasama na rin sa list ng DBM? Kasama kaya si iba pang mga former senator, si Tol Tolentino ba or si Amy Marcos ba or si Mark Villar ba? So we'll see Basta 15 senators sumuporta kay Chis Escudero, tatlo pa lang ang formally nabanggit. So who are the 12 others? Kung lahat ba ng 12 tumanggap or meron ba hindi tumanggap? At sino-sino sila at magkano? So dito rin sa interview niya sa TV5, klinaro rin ni Raymond Fortun na kung 6 lang babanggitin ni Bryce ay hindi ibig sabihin wala pang iba. Sabi nga natin baka abot pa yan ng 10 or more. So ito lang, sabi niya, dito lang yan, it only has to do with our district Bulacan, first district ng DPWH. Hindi pa natin masabi kung sinong senador at naglagay sa ibang district na naging ghost projects. So kaya 6 lang galing kay Bryce Hernandez. At klinaro rin niya kung kasama ba si Chis Escudero o hindi. So panoorin natin to. And thank you TV5 for this video.
Not be able to understand.
Sir, as far as testimonies and the documents go that Bryce is holding on to, how far up or how far down pa ang kanya mai-implicate? Even if I suppose kasi you're not yet ready to give names, additional names. Pero for example, legislators, how many more are we talking about here that he can implicate or that he would implicate down the line?
Kung ako po yung tatanungin niyo, alam ko merong 6 na senador .
Dagdag pa yon. Hindi to total.
6 po yung senador. Sa mga dokumento
Incumbent po yun. Incumbent ba yung senator?
meron pong 2 na hindi incumbent. Yung 2 po ex.
So,
Ngayon, 2 congressmen naman po at least from what I had been shown initially, the list can actually be longer because Bryce said no that there are more no inside that computer. Lumabas na yung pangalan ni Minister Ko, lumabas na yung pangalan ni Mitch Kahayon, meron pa pong mga iba. Meron pa po.
Mga ilan kaya? Mga
Ballpark,
ilan?
sir. Ballpark, yeah.
Si Telstar po lumabas na.
May isang dosena pa kaya? May isang dosena pa kaya, Congressman?
Parang tabaran eh.
Hindi siguro, I don't think so. You have to understand, guys, no, that this is only one district, no?
Yes, sir.
Bulacan district. So in other words, there is always, may nagtatanong sa akin, bakit wala si Cheese? And my answer to that is,
Yeah.
I'm almost sure, no, probably hindi ma-mention si Cheese simply because walang insertion doon. Si
Sa Bulacan.
Escudero, wala doon. Hindi ko sinasabi na wala siyang insertion somewhere else. No? Pero ito, at least in so far as Bulacan 1st District is concerned, ito lamang mga talagang involved. No? So, merong initials lang kasi. No? Yung initials doon sa, na makikita mo talaga kung sino yung proponent. No? And up to now, I haven't really extracted from Bryce who are the personalities corresponding to the initials.
Wait, sorry. I want to be
So,
very...
yun. So, klaro ha. Ang babanggitin pa ay ang babanggitin ni Bryce ay pangalan ng 6 senators. Hindi sinabi kung kasama na ba sila Jinggoy, Villanueva at Revilla. Basta 6. Pero what I would believe, kasi isa lang man ang distrito na kung saan kasama si Henry Alcantara at si Bryce Hernandez. So, baka yung tatlo pasok na. Yung tatlo. Si Jinggoy, si Villanueva at si Revilla. So, sino pang tatlo? Sinabi meron 2 na hindi incumbent, or in short, either wala na sa Senado or natalo na last election or tapos na yung 6-year term. So, sino kaya mga ito? I would recall na ang natalo lang si Tol Tolentino. Sino pa ba? The end na yung term niya si Grace po. So, tingnan natin. At sa incumbent naman, andyan sa mga allies ni Cheese na si Mark Villar, si Cynthia Villar, na na-replace na ng anak niya ngayon. Andyan yung mga Cayetanos, re-elected si Pia. So, andyan si Rafi Tulfo. So, tingnan natin. We will, basta alam natin wala dyan si former Senator na nasa opposition, Coco Pimentel, and also incumbent Senator Riza Ontiveros, na inexpose na rin yung mga insertions ni Romualdez as far back as 23-24 budgets. So, na-expose na nila ito. Hindi lang pinaniwalaan at dinipensahan pa ni President Marcos ang pinsan niya, si Romualdez. So, yan. Ngayon, lumalabas na yan. So, isa pang punto nitong si Attorney Fortun ay hindi kasama. Yun lang. Malas. Hindi kasama. Pangalan ni Senate President Cheese Escudero, and syempre among sa lista ng mga kongresista hindi rin kasama pangalan ni Speaker Romualdez. Pero sabi ni Tony Fortun, hindi ibig sabihin hindi sila kasama kasi there are 300 congressional districts all over the country, or 3,000 ata. Check natin yung figures. Basta marami. And we are just talking about one district pa lang na kasama na 6 senator. What more the other districts? konti pa lang nakikita natin sa Oriental Mindoro, sa Panaligan, si congressman, wala pang senator doon. Batangas, as exposed by Congressman Leviste. So, kuwan pa lang, kulang pa. It will all come out kung marami pa mga witnesses from other congressional districts will be investigated or will come forward. Sa Baguio nga, di ba, nahuli na sinisira yung dokumento. Ibig sabihin, meron talagang katiwalian doon. Kaya yung district engineer doon is in trouble for destroying evidence. At inimbestigahan na ngayon. So, yan. Tuloy tayo. At least, umuusad na talaga yung investigation. It is taking a life of its own.
Clear about this. In the Senate, you said 6 more senators or 6 in total, including the ones already named?
But the one I have seen po at 6. He has already mentioned Senator Joel,
Correct.
Senator Goy.
Villa.
And
Yun
Revilla.
lang. Oo, yun
Former
lang.
Senator Revilla. Oh, well, sorry. That's from Henry
Tatlo pa.
Alcantara pala. Sino po ba
That's
yung under kay Senator under the Senate?
Yung meron pa pong isa, no? I am not at liberty to say. I should allow Bryce not to be the one to disclose.
Okay.
Attorney, ang sinasabi niyo ba ay nabanggit niyo kasi insertions eh. Iba kasi yung insertions sa kickback. So,
Iba pa po yun.
gusto ko lang
Iba pa.
i-clarify what do you mean? Insertions
Okay.
or kickback?
Sige, kasi remember guys that you do have the GAA and it is based on the net, no? Now, what happens here is that meron mga sinabmit na ng mga projects but you do not see who the proponents are. And then there are the insertions, meaning hindi nyo makikita sa GAA and yet merong mga proyekto and you will still see walang proponent. The documents that Bryce has the listing of the proponents. Kung sino yung nagpasok ng mga proyekto na yon dito sa yung mga proyekto na to dito sa Bulacan. And therefore, quote-unquote, sino yung dapat na makakatanggap noong kickback.
Obligasyon.
Yan,
That's it.
maganda.
Yung, ang tawag dun, well, merong sinasabi, may patong, no? Kasi I think Bryce earlier also mentioned, di ba, they bloat the cost of the project so that meron ngayon yung pandigay para doon sa mga senador or congressman or what, no? But that is also to ensure that yung some buildings, hospitals, schools, and at some other high-rise, no, na mga buildings are not under are not weak, no, or underdeveloped, such that na-maintain pa din naman yung integrity ng mga buildings na yun, notwithstanding the fact that there has already been patong made to cater to the kickbacks of the legislators.